Let me start with the hard truth most traders don't want to hear. Overtrading is not a strategy problem. It's not a market problem. It's not even a discipline problem. Overtrading is an identity problem. If you have ever opened a trade you didn't plan, if you have ever revenge traded after a loss, if you have ever said just one more trade and blew your daily target, this video is for you. Because today I'm not going to tell you to just be disciplined. I'm going to show you how to stop overtrading permanently, not temporarily, not for one good week, not until the next losing streak, but forever. Let's get into it. What overtrading really is? Most traders define overtrading as taking too many trades. That definition is wrong. Overtrading is taking trades that doesn't meet your edge. You can take 10 trades a day and not overtrade. You can take one trade and still be overtrading. Overtrading happens when you trade out of boredom. You trade out of fear of missing out. You trade to recover losses. You trade to feel productive. And notice something important. All of these are emotional reasons, not logical ones. Which means overtrading is not about charts. It's about your psychology and environment. Until you fix those two things, no rule will save you. Why willpower never works? You see, most traders try to stop overtrading using willpower. They say things like, tomorrow I'll be disciplined. I will control myself better. I just need to be strong. That never works. Why? Because willpower is finite, but the market is infinite. The market is always open. There's always a setup forming. There's always a candle moving. So if your plan relies on self-control alone, you have already lost. Professional traders don't rely on discipline. They rely on systems that remove temptation. And that is what you need to build. The real cause of overtrading. Let's go deeper on this. Overtrading comes from one core belief. If I don't trade, I'm missing money. This belief turns trading into gambling. Here is the mindset shift you must make. We are not paid to trade. We are paid to wait. The market only pays for patience, selectivity, precision. Overtraders are not greedy. They are afraid of inactivity. They confuse doing nothing with failing. But in trading, doing nothing is a position, and often is the most profitable one. Define your no trade identity. If you want to stop overtrading forever, you must change who you think you are as a trader. Most traders say, I'm a trader who looks for opportunities. That's dangerous. Instead, adopt this identity. I'm a trader who filters out bad trades. Professionals don't look for reasons to enter. They look for reasons to stay out. Your new identity is you are selective, you are boring, you are patient. You trade less but better. If your trading feels exciting, you are doing it wrong. Create a non-negotiable trade filter. Here is where most traders fail. They have rules, but the rules are flexible. Flexible rules equals broken rules. You need a non-negotiable trade filter. Ask yourself these questions before every trade. Is this setup in my trading plan? Is it at a pre-market level? Does it align with my session rules? Is risk clearly defined before entry? Will I still take this trade if I had just lost my last one? If the answer to any question is no, you do not trade. No exceptions. No, but it looks good. No, just this once. Overtrading survives in loopholes. Close the loopholes. Limit your opportunity window. This is a game changer. Most overtraders are overexposed to the market. They watch charts all day, every session, every time frame. That creates temptation. Instead, limit when you are allowed to trade. For example, London session only, or New York Open only, or first 90 minutes of your choosing session. Outside that window, charts are closed. Trading platform is closed. No analysis, no just checking. You cannot overtrade a market you are not watching. Professionals trade in time blocks, not emotions. Use a daily maximum loss stop rule. One of the biggest causes of overtrading is loss recovery. You lose one trade, then another, and suddenly you are trading to fix pain, not to follow your plan. The solution is simple but brutal. One maximum loss per day. When you hit it, you stop trading, no matter how good the setup looks. Why? Because after a loss, your psychology is compromised. And compromised psychology leads to bigger position size, lower quality entries, emotional decisions. Protect your mind, not just your money. Track overtrading as a metric. Most traders track wins, losses, profit. Few track rule violations. From today, start tracking how many trades followed your plan, how many trades broke your rules, why each rule was broken. Your goal is not to increase profit, your goal is to reduce mistakes. When mistakes go down, profit follow automatically. Overtrading dies in awareness. Replace trading with process. Here is a secret. Many traders overtrade because trading is their only process. They feel productive only when clicking buy or sell. Replace trading with backtesting, journaling, reviewing screenshots, writing trade notes, watching replays. Activity without risk calms the mind. If you don't replace overtrading with something else, it will always come back. The final mindset shift. I will leave you with this. The goal of trading is not to trade. The goal is to execute only when conditions are perfect. Every trade you don't take is capital preserved, focus protected, discipline reinforced. You don't stop overtrading by force. You stop overtrading by becoming the kind of trader who doesn't need to trade often. That's the difference between amateurs and professionals. If this video helped you, don't just like it, apply it. Overtrading ends the day you decide. I would rather miss money than lose discipline. If you want my trading journal template or you want to join my WhatsApp trading psychology channel, check the link in the description. This is SmartRise TV. We are not chasing trades. We are building disciplined, profitable traders. See you in the next video.
Like, comment, subscribe to SmartRise TV and hit the notification bell.